What's wrong, Anu? Did you get this cough in the US or did Delhi's weather welcome you in style? You have always been like this since childhood. A weakling. Look at me. Rough and tough as always.
No one caused my cough. It's just my style. Now just come here soon.
Yes, right. I'll see you soon.
Inspections done?
Yes, sir.
Any leaks?
No leaks.
Okay, electricals?
Check, sir.
What about GPS database?
Up to date, sir.
Very good. Weather?
Bright and sunny, sir.
Very good. So I'll fly the chopper today, okay?
Sir.
I'm a trained pilot.
Sir, I know that. But you are not authorized for this route.
I'll manage everything, don't worry.
Sir, I might lose my job.
You could lose it anyway, right?
Shri, this is no flying club. We are getting late.
Didn't you hear what I said?
Shri, the whole family is flying together. I can't take this risk. Come back and sit.
Mom, don't you have any trust on me?
No. Can we go now, please?
Alright then. You all go ahead. I'll drive myself.
Baby. Please don't create a scene.
What? What's with the silence? As always. Anyway, let's fly. My sister is waiting for me. Let's go.
Where have you gone? I've been waiting for so long.
I just left the Patiala house. Today, Judge Verma seemed very adamant. He was insistent on marrying his daughter off to me. That's how impressed he was with me.
All right. All the judges in Delhi are chasing after you to make you their son-in-law. Never mind. First tell me if you want the case.
Hey, who would dare to defeat me, tell me? The world revolves around me and not otherwise.
Never mind all that. Your second so-called father-in-law, Judge Bansal, he's waiting for you. If we don't reach in 10 minutes, then he could have us both jailed. Oh no, even Mr. Khurana's calling now. What do I bluff to him now? Hello? Hey, speak up, Siddhant. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Case number 27 on the stands now.
I may arrive late, Mr. Sweetie, but never too late. I was right outside. I heard everything. Tell Mr. Khurana that I'm with my girlfriend and would get late.
Hey, Siddhant. Long time no see.
I know. By the way, I truly belong in the Supreme Court. So, just enjoy my company for a few days.
Affidavit, sir. Sir, affidavit.
He is really over smart.
I'll help
I
you,
know.
sir. Hey, if you want affidavit.
Hey, brother. Hey, brother. What about Judge Bansal now? He is ready to pass the verdict.
And what do we want?
We want an extension. Mr. Khurana has issued clear instructions to get an extension or never to show him our faces.
And Bansal won't listen to us. He doesn't even have a daughter. Or else I would have impressed her today. Hey, isn't Khattar the lawyer for the other party?
Yes, so what?
So, Bansal won't give us an extension. But he'll surely give it to Khattar.
Hey, why? Why would Khattar seek an extension for us? It's not like he has a daughter too.
You don't worry, Mr. Sweetie. We won't do everything. Even the Almighty will help us a bit.
I see.
They call me only during need.
Who is it? Please handle him now.
He'll come in handy the day I need him.
Where are you? There's some urgent work.
You just message me the time and the venue. I'll be right there. I'm in the court right now, okay?
Okay.
I wanted to ask something.
Go ahead.
Well, it's...
Anushka? Anushka Verma?
It's me. I'm Anushka Verma.
Whatever it is, just ask me.
It's nothing. I'll see you.
Ta-da! Protective gear just for you to escape Delhi's pollution. Anu, you know I have a great business plan.
Really? What's the plan?
The plan is to keep you in a glass cabin and sell tickets to let people watch you.
Mom?
Please. Enough. Don't get too emotional now. Come. So, how was your journey?
Great.
Surprise and all, huh?
Anu has grown up.
Mom, I missed you so much.
है तुझसे वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू मिले